Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I wanted to share with you a recipe for, it's a crustless spinach quiche, and it is low carb. So if you're doing that type of a diet or anything, this would be great for that. This is also great for breakfast or brunch. But you will need some fresh spinach, and you want 10 ounces in each of these containers that I have, or 5 ounces each. So I'm using 2 of those. But as you know, spinach definitely breaks down to very little. 2 cups of onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of some crushed red pepper, and a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 cloves of garlic that's minced, and 1½ cups of mozzarella cheese that's shredded. You will also need 6 large eggs, and the recipe calls for a 9-inch pie tin, so you can either use that, but I'm just going to make mine in the skillet that I'm cooking everything in. So the first thing you want to do is add your olive oil to a skillet or a pan, and you want to cook your onions for about 8 minutes until they're translucent and they're a little bit softer. Add your minced garlic, and you will cook that for about a minute, just until it's fragrant and it starts to smell. Add your spinach, and just add a little bit at a time. It will cook down, it will start wilting, so just continue to add it, and once you're done, it will look like this. Now add just a 1/2 teaspoon of the kosher salt to your spinach mixture. Now add the pepper flakes, and I don't find this makes it really spicy or anything. It just gives it a little bit of a flavor, but if you want to leave it out, you absolutely can do that. Now let that cool down, and you want to take these 6 eggs and whisk those together, and just make sure that they're mixed really well. And once that's done, add your heavy whipping cream, your kosher salt, so that's the other 1/2 teaspoon that you're going to add. Then add your mozzarella cheese to this. Just add a little bit at a time and just stir it in. Now add your spinach mixture to the eggs once it's cooled down a little bit, and you just want to make sure that you stir that into the eggs really well. Now, as I said, you can prepare a pie tin and just grease it, but all I did was grease the pan that I was already using and just added some more olive oil to it. Then all I do is add that spinach and egg mixture to it, and I just make sure that the spinach is spread out some. So you just, when you add it to it, just kind of move the spinach around just a little bit, just to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the egg mixture. And this is what it looks like when it's done, and it really is a delicious quiche. It turned out really nice, and if you're doing low carb, this is a great recipe for that. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope that everyone has a blessed day and a great week ahead. Thank y'all so much for watching.